Hi, hello, and welcome to the Ricky's Drawer channel. I am Ricky, and today I want to talk a little about the Inktober. It's a great event, so you can make improvements on your artwork. I'll let passing somewhere nearby here some captures that I did while drawing the first day and the second day. I think I didn't record the third day and the fourth. Fourth was today. And I'm thinking about building a short so I can put all the illustrations side by side by the end of the event. We're gonna have more than 30 and it's really great to do it. I don't have a specific subject to this year, so I'm kind of randomly inking drawings and getting stuff done. I'm taking about, I don't know, maybe 40, 50 minutes per drawing, and I need to put this funny guy here. Look at it. Here, gonna just align. Okay, so as you can see, this is the first weekend. I'm not gonna do a daily upload about the Inktober. I'm gonna do some kind of a weekly upload. And keep in touch because I will be doing a Clip Studio Paint tip. Another one for this month is about hair, and who knows. And until the next time, see you later.